Morning, good morning. I would like to introduce you the new model Slit lamp. As you can see, it looks very similar to the other model which you've been just getting from me. Well, there are several updates actually. It's upgraded version based on that. So the right one is the latest version, latest generation's lamps. So there are several main differences that I want to show to you. So first one is just about the transform box. As you can see, this is the previous one. It's really big, and this one is smaller one, so it's much more compact. And the base is totally different design, as you may notice, and also the metal plate. So it's kind of curvy design. So this is the base. And second thing is about the scale for the slit actually. So this one, the scale on it is much more visible than this one. This is the old one. As you can see, it's not that noticeable. So it's very dark actually. And also for the eyepiece here, the dial, as you can see, this is the previous one. Wow, this is the new one, the new generation actually. So it's pretty much like the hex ride style. Yeah, and then the cap here, the connector, is just kind of vertical. So this one is just kind just like this. And also the drum, this is a previous one. It's a really round one. But sometimes actually it's not that easy to grab. But this one, as you can see here, so it's different design, it's small diameter, very easy to grab actually. And also the minimum magnification actually starts from 6.3, while this one is only 6. Yeah, so this is new one. Yeah, I want to just get you to have some idea about it. Yeah.